morning, children. How are you? Are you fine at home? Okay. I hope you understood the last lesson. The first lesson I taught you in the last class, no? That is Rekha's new friend. I'll tell you the story once again. If you be with your friends means you will be very happy. You want to play with games. You want to draw with them. You want to talk with them. You want to eat and you want to dance. You want to draw. Sometimes even you are ready to spend the whole night with them. Isn't it? Okay, children. What are the activities would you like to do with your friends? So many activities. You are eager to do with your activities with your friends. Okay, children, I will tell you the story shortly. Rekha was a girl. She was studying in 3rd standard. It was the first day of the school. Every children was they were very happy, but Rekha was sad. Why she was sad? She was sad because she missed her best friend Manu. She left the school. She got TC and she joined in some other school. So that she felt very sad. She doesn't like to talk to anyone. Then their class teacher name was Miss Anita Tawang. She called her and she said, "Children, we have a new student in our class. So introduce yourself." So the new girl introduced that her name was Alice. Her name was Alice. She was coming from Bangkok. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand. So she was coming from Bangkok. This is the first day in my school. She said, okay. The teacher said, "Welcome Alice to Indian school. How do you feel, Miss? I am not happy in India, but I am happy only, but I don't have any friends here, madam. That is only my problem, madam." When the teacher asked Rekha to introduce the new girl Alice to everyone, Rekha took the girl she took Alice around the school during the lunch time. So she showed everything to her. After a few days, Rekha and this girl Alice, they became good friends. Next, Rekha asked this new girl Alice to tell about her school experience. For that she told, "My school is in Bangkok. This school is so big, but my school in Bangkok, I have only 20 students in each class in Bangkok," she said. So both of them became good friends and they shared their lunch. Then for the lunch, now the teacher called and asked the girl, "Did you like the school very much?" Yes, she told. "Yes, still I am new. The school is new to me, madam, but I am happy to be here because I have some friends while going for music and dance classes. I like the music and dance classes in the school. In that time I had some friends, madam." Okay. So the girl Alice and Rekha, they became good friends. Then they shared their lunch. Alice brought pasta and some fruit. This girl Rekha brought some idli. So they shared their lunch and they became good friends. Okay, this is the story of the lesson. Today, children, we are going to do some of the book exercise, the first lesson. Now see, you look at the board. Here I have written some sentences. Complete these sentences. Complete. You want to complete this sentence. Sentence means what I said already. Sentence is nothing. It is a group of words which gives you complete sense. Sense means meaning. It should start with capital letter and it should end with full stop. So sentence is nothing. It is a group of words which gives you the meaning. My name, is it a sentence? No, it is not a sentence. My name is Balu. This is the correct sentence. I am, is it a right sentence? No, it is not a right sentence. I am studying in 3rd standard. This is the correct form of sentence. Like that, related to the lesson, I gave 1 or 2 questions. So I have written, so you want to complete this sentence. Come on, you say the class was excited because. Excited means happy, feeling happy. The class was excited because. Why the class was excited? It was the first day. Can you guess and tell me the answer? It was the first day. It was the first day. First day in class 3. It was the first day in class 3. So what is the answer, children? The class was excited because it was the first day in class 3. Understood? Second one. The new girl Alice had come from. Where did she come from? Do you know? In the lesson I taught you know. Where did she come from? In which place she had come from? She had from Bangkok. B-A-N-G-K-O-K. Bangkok. Put a full stop. So the new girl Alice had come from Bangkok. Next, third one. Alice enjoyed. What did she enjoy in the school? She enjoyed the music and dance classes. Do you know? She enjoyed most was during that time only she got many friends. So she enjoyed the music and dance classes. So that time only she got more friends. So Alice enjoyed the music and dance classes. D-A-N-C-E, dance class. So the two classes she liked most. She enjoyed the music and dance classes. Put a full stop at the end. So now the sentence give you the complete meaning. The bike is. Come on, form your own sentence. The bike is very old. Otherwise the bike is new. The bike is blue in color. The bike belongs to my father. The bike is bought from Chennai. So the bike is yellow in color. You can write yellow or old. Any meaningful words you can use. The bike is yellow in color. Next, her sister. Come on, complete this sentence. Do you have sister? Do you have sisters and brothers? Okay. Her sister is studying in pre-KG. Her sister looks pretty. Her sister likes fruits. Her sister likes red color. Her sister has a big doll. So here you can write her sister likes noodles. Put a full stop at the end. My father. Next sentence. My father. My father. Come on, tell me. What is your father? My father is a doctor. My father is a businessman. My father is an engineer. My father is a collector. My father is a teacher. So anything. My father is watering. My father is reading newspaper. Anything you can use. My father is reading the newspaper. So listen, children, we have completed the sentence. Now this sentence makes you complete sense. It gives you complete meaning. See the first one. The class was excited because it was the first day in school. Second one. The new girl Alice had come from Bangkok. Next. Alice enjoyed the music and dance classes. The bike is yellow in color. Her sister likes noodles. My father is reading the newspaper. So these are all sentences. This gives you complete meaning. They all starts with capital and ends with full stop. Children, next the second Roman, what is the exercise means related to this lesson. I think you understood the lesson clearly. Now from this lesson part, I have given some sentences. So they are not in order. According to the events, what and all happened. First what happened, second what happened, third what happened, then fourth. Here I gave 5 sentences. So according to the events, you want to put the correct number. Number these sentences in the correct order. So if I will read and show. The sentences are not in the order. According to the events, you want to write which sentence will come first. So you put number 1 on that blank. Here I have given some blanks. In that you want to write the number. Understood? A new girl joined their class. She was missing her friend Manu. Miss Tawang asked Rekha to introduce Alice to everyone. Next, everyone was excited to be in class 3. Next, Rekha was feeling sad. These are the 5 sentences here I have given. Come on, which sentence will come first? I think you understood the story. Come on, which sentence shall we put number 1? Can you guess? Come on, think and tell me. Yes. What is the first sentence? Everyone was excited to be in class 3. This one will come first. So everyone was excited to be in class 3. What is the second event? Second one is what? Come on, think and tell. Second one, what sentence will come in second number? Rekha was feeling sad. Rekha was feeling sad. This is the second sentence. Rekha was feeling sad. Okay. Come on, guess. What is the third sentence? What is the third one? Why she was sad? She was missing her friend Manu. This is the third number. She was missing her friend Manu. Okay, am I right? Yes. Next. Fourth one. A new girl joined their class. A new girl joined their class. Am I right? Yes. A new girl joined their class. Next. What is the fifth one? Miss Tawang asked Rekha to introduce Alice to everyone. Miss Tawang, a class teacher. Who is Miss Tawang? Class teacher of third section. So Miss Tawang asked Rekha to introduce Alice to everyone. This is the fifth one. Now while you are writing, you should put number 1 and write this sentence. Number 1. Everyone was excited to be in class 3. What is the second sentence? Rekha was feeling sad. Third sentence what? She was missing her friend Manu. Next, fourth one what? A new girl joined their class. This is the fourth sentence. Fifth one what? Miss Tawang asked Rekha to introduce Alice to everyone. So, while writing, you take and copy, rewrite these sentences. So, after putting the numbers, then write order wise. So, this is the correct order of this sentence. Children, listen. Next, third exercise is what means? Add an E. What letter should be added? E at the end of the words. I have written some words. You want to add E at the end. If you add E at the end, it means it will make the sound will be changed. It will give you some other word, new word. See, listen. Bit, When you add E, it is bite. Do you understand the meaning of bit and bite? This is a bit of chalk, bit of paper, bit of bread. So bite means biting. The dog bite the bones. The dog bite the boy. The dog. Okay, next. C-U-T, cut. This is. When you add E letter, this becomes cute. Cut means you are cutting. Cut the show. Cut the vegetable. Cut the wood. Cut the bread. Okay, cut your nails. Okay, that is cut. Cute means Renu is a cute baby. Ramu is a cute boy. So cute. Do you understood? Next, tub. Do you know tub? You are filling your, at home you will be having your tubs. That means you are going to fill the tub with water. So when you add E, this is tube. Tube you know. Tube means for watering plants. You are using the hose pipe. No, that is tube. T-U-B-E, tube. So the meaning is change. A-T, at. At is a preposition. When you add E, ate. Eat past tense is ate. So ate. The meaning is changed. Next, not. This is not my book. This is not my eraser. This is not my pencil. This is not my car. Do you understand? Not. Next, when you add E means N-O-T-E, note. This is my notebook. This is my English notebook. This is my maths notebook. Note this. Note this sums in your notebook. Okay, noting. So these are bit, bite, cut, cute, tub, tube, at, ate, not, note. So if you add means their sounds are changed. If you add E letter to the end of these words means their sounds are changed. It gives you another word. Understood? Okay. Children, next is your fourth exercise here. Rearrange these words to make sentences. The sentences given are not correct, children. The words are not arranged correctly. It is a wrong sentence. So you want to rearrange. Rearrange means you want to the first word in second place or second word in third place. Like that. You want to change the words. You want to make a correct sentence. Okay. Sentence means it should give complete meaning. For that, the words should be arranged in the correct order. Understood? Okay. First one. My is Sweta name. How many words are here? 4 words. Is it a sentence? Does it give you a meaning? No. It is not giving you the correct meaning. The word my is Sweta name. These are all words. Letters join and gives you word. Words join and gives you sentence. Here you see, so what? Word will come first? The subject part. The answer, mine. Next, what will come, children? Guess and tell me. Good. My name. N-A-M-E, name is. Next is. My name is Sweta. S-W-E-T-H-A. Put a full stop. Here you can see it is not a sentence. So that's why I didn't put the full stop. So it is not a sentence. The words are not arranged in the correct order. So children, it is not a sentence. So here my name is Sweta. So here we are putting the full stop. At the end you are putting the full stop. Here the M letter should be written in capital. The sentence always begins with capital. So it ends with, here it is a ordinary sentence, that is statement. So you are putting full stop. My name is Sweta. Okay, good. Next, second one. I Bangkok from have come. Listen, I Bangkok from have come. So this word, how children, one more thing you want to remember, after writing the correct sentence, you should check how many words are in the question. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after finished writing the answer, you should check how many words. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So your sentence is correct. If any letter, any word is missed means you want to insert. So you check after finished writing the correct sentence, you check whether all the words you have written or not. Second one, I Bangkok from have come. Come on, Gus, and tell me what one will come first? The noun part. Here I, the pronoun I is there. Okay. I. Next, what will the verb part? Have come. So I have come. Next, what will come? I have come from Bangkok. Here you want to put a full stop. So how many words are in the question? The question you can find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So writing, I have come from Bangkok. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ending, you are putting the full stop. So sentence means it should end full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. So it is an assertive sentence. Here you are putting full stop. Third one, Rekha, friends and became Alice. Can you guess? Come on, tell me. Guess, children. Find out. You can easily find out. If you think means you will be able to find out easily. It is a simple sentence only. Rekha, friends and became Alice. So how will you write? First you write the name. Whose name? Rekha. Next, and Alice. Rekha and Alice. Then what? Rekha you have written and you have written Alice. The remaining words became and friends. So what is the verb? Became. Became friends. Put a full stop. So Rekha and Alice became friends. This is the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words are in the question. While writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all the words you have written. So this is the correct sentence. Rekha and Alice became friends. Okay. Next, the last sentence. Tell me. Mine is a doctor father. Come on, guys. It is a very simple sentence, children. Think. Come on. Who will tell the right answer? Yes. First one is mine. Second one, father. My father. Yes. What is the third word? Is. Good. My father is. Next, what is the fourth word? Father is a. Next, last word. What? Doctor. Yes. So my father is a doctor. My father is a doctor. This is the correct sentence. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have written all the words. Now understood? Rearrange means you want to arrange the words in the right order to get a correct meaning of the sentence. Once again I tell you, what is the first sentence answer? My name is Sweta. Okay. Second one, I have come from Bangkok. Understood? Third one, Rekha and Alice became friends. Next, my father is a doctor. Okay. You write, you at home, you write simple sentences, rearrange it, then you make it a correct one. Hope children, related to the lesson, I will give you some exercise in your worksheet. You try to do it. Okay children, thank you. In the next class we will meet.